Children of class 7, I will speak on digestive system of humans. Okay, let's start. Digestive system starts in the mouth itself. Okay, in the mouth there is saliva present. Saliva, it makes the food bit soluble, easy to swallow, easy to chew. That means children and viewers, you can write down these points also. What I am explaining is being written here. Okay, you can write down about the mouth, stomach, the small intestine, what are the juice secreted. It's written here, you can write this also for your reference. A food starts in the mouth itself. That means it breaks down food, that is sugar, okay, or the carbohydrates to sugar, or sugar बन जाते हैं. Then later on sugar will be digested to glucose. Now what happens, the solid food, the soluble food goes through our food pipe, and that is called esophagus. Esophagus, there are muscular organs which have a constant movement which keeps the food particles move down the food pipe and goes towards the stomach. Now when the food particles, the soluble food particle, the chew particle reaches the stomach, it happens like that कि stomach में there is hydrochloric acid and mucus that gives the inner lining of the stomach protected, and the hydrochloric acid present in the stomach make the medium of the food acidic, and it kills the bacteria also. Now below the stomach there is liver, the biggest gland, the brown black color organ, the largest gland, which secretes bile which are temporarily stored in the gallbladder. Okay, and this bile helps in breakdown of fats to fatty acids and glycerol. Now there is another organ, pancreas. Okay, that is a large cream colored gland located just below the stomach. This secretes pancreatic juice which acts on carbohydrates and protein to break down to simpler substances. Okay, that is when carbohydrates are broken down, it becomes sugar or glucose. Next comes glucose, and proteins, they are broken down or act upon to simpler particles, they are called amino acids. Now this digestive food now moves towards the small intestine. इस small intestine में क्या होता है? There are finger-like projections which helps in absorption of the digested food, and the small intestine is very large, that's biggest. 7.5 मीटर लॉन्ग होता है ह्यूमंस में. ठीक है, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में अब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ फूड पार्टिकल्स भी हो रहा है. ठीक है, बाइल एंड पैनक्रियाटिक जूस भी एक्ट कर रहा है. ओके, and in the stomach also, the one thing I have missed, that is proteins are digested in the stomach. Okay, and the small intestine, the fats, proteins and carbohydrate, because of the acting of juice, that is pancreatic juice and bile. Now after that all thing, small intestine में एक और काम होता है. Digestive food, they have been absorbed by the villi. Okay, the finger like projection, they absorbs the digested food, and they keep on absorbing the nutrients and give to different parts of the body in the blood streams. ये काम है, and this is called assimilation. Now the food that remain undigested and unabsorbed then enters the large intestine. Large intestine is another thicker than this, wider, but length it is 1.5 meter long. Okay, its function is to absorb water and some salt that has been found in the undigested food, and the remaining waste passes into the rectum and remains there for semi-solid phase. The facial matter removed to the anus from time to time, and that is called egestion. So it's a long process: ingestion, taking of food intake, ingestion, digestion, absorption is there, assimilation is there, and egestion. These 5 things helps the total process of digestion. Okay, so there are few things to remember. Stomach, protein digest हो जा रहा है. Okay, 2 amino acids. When it reaches the small intestine, the fats have been acted by the bile to produce glycerol and fatty acids, and pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates and protein also to give out glucose, and in protein it is amino acids. Okay, Fats are digested to give fatty acids and glycerols. Absorption, ये villi बहुत important word याद रखना. It is the book words I am saying. The inner wall of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths. They are called villi, and singular it is called villus. Okay, it helps in absorption of the digested food. It is a network of thin and small blood vessels. Okay, this is absorption. Assimilation is also there, then digestion. This is a total process of digestion in humans. Okay, I hope you understood. Please see the video again so that you can keep on remembering the points to be remembered. Okay, what are the juices, what are saliva doing, what is HCl, hydrochloric acid doing, killing the bacteria, so on. Okay, thank you so much.